I'm Caramel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look right here. It gets warm. It's fall. It's now. It's brown like me. So if you want to see how to get this look, be sure to stay tuned and watch the video. Yeah. Right, let's get into it. I literally have no idea how this is going to turn out. I'm going to start by priming my eyelids using this Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour kit, and I'm going to be using the shade Nude. This is a damp beauty blender, my darling. Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh girl. I don't know what I want to do first. I don't know what I want to do at all. What the heck am I talking about? I'm going to start with this orange right here. Put that in my crease. Oh boy. I'm going to use this shade called Roxanne. Put her all over the freaking lid, yo. Yeah. I'm going back into that orange shade. What's it called? Creamsicle. Just going over to the top of it just to make sure everything is blended out. We're gonna go into Jack's right here. Yes, ma'am. But we're not done yet, boo. We're not done yet. Oh, no, we're not. I am going to dip into Chip, I think that is. This is coming together really well. And now, just because we're rebellious or whatever, I don't know, I'm going to go in Central Park and darken it up even some more. I'm going to take one of these sponge applicator brushes and use in Light Queen, still using a sponge applicator brush. Ooh, girl, use your finger, it works. Like, yo, it turned out pretty cool. Oh yes, ma'am. On to face makeup. I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 355 Coconut, so if you think that we're skin twins, there you go. I just used a foundation brush to blend that out, but I'm going to go over it with a beauty blender because we need insurance. Concealer, we're going to be using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit again. Espresso. Yup. And you gotta do the chipmunk face. You know, the chipmunk face so you can get right up in there. The Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This Black Radiance. Meow. Black Radiance palette contour shade. Now I'm gonna take this teeny tiny angle brush and I'm gonna dip it in here. Roxanne, kissy kissy Roxanne, did you miss me? Now it's time for my favorite part, eyeliner. Bueno, I'm gonna add some mascara because we can't wear falsies, but if you can wear falsies, then you should do that if you're feeling it. I'm feeling it, but you know what? I can't because genetics. Highlight Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit. Let's get glowy up in here. Heck yeah, heck yeah. I'm gonna use this Nick A.K. Cosmetics New York. I don't freaking know. It doesn't really matter. Just use a brown. Now I'm going to apply this. Oh, it's by the same brand. NK lipstick with vitamin E. It's in the shade 305 Cocoa Brown. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. It seemed like it went by pretty fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you didn't, I'm so sorry. But if you did, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up because we love a thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. It'll be linked down below unless, of course, I forget, in which case it won't be. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching all the way through, and if you did, you're a freaking mermaid. I don't know. And I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.